What's up, y'all? I am starving, and so I'm about to make me some avocado tuna salad. I thought I would share that with you guys today. All you're gonna need is some crushed red pepper, some onion powder, just some regular old salt, couple tablespoons of cilantro leaves, lemon juice, avocado, and of course the tuna. I'm using solid white tuna in water. Can you see that? Okay, so let's get started. FYI guys, I got this tuna from Aldi. It's the solid white in water. Really nice pieces of tuna in there. I drained the water off the tuna and I just put it in a small bowl. So right now I'm about to get the avocado in there. Here it is. I'm just gonna cut it in half. Cutting around the core, that is. That's the avocado. I'm gonna take the little seed out. I'm not chopping anything up. All I'm gonna do is just scoop it out like that. Just scoop it out in chunks. This is like the easiest recipe, and it's healthy. So the other half, just scoop it out right into the bowl. And that's it. Alright, time for the seasonings. We're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. I like mine spicy. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now the tuna is kind of salty, but the avocado can handle that seasoning. Now I'm gonna add the cilantro leaves in and some lemon juice. I'm gonna start with half of this lemon. If I need to add more, I will. Yeah. So this is how everything looks before I mix it up. Just throw everything in a bowl. So all I gotta do now is mix everything together, and for that I'm just gonna use a fork. Doesn't have to be perfect, just get in there. You can smash the avocado a little bit as you go. This is not the prettiest thing in the world, but it is delicious. So this is the finished product, guys. I just got done mixing it up. Kind of looks like guacamole, huh? I'm gonna show y'all how I serve it. So basically all I do is take 2 slices of wheat bread and I just toast one side of it. Put the toasted side down. Come in with your avocado tuna salad, as much or as little as you want. I like a lot. And then just put it on the bread. Sometimes I serve this open faced and sometimes I don't. So now that I got enough on there, I like to take some tomato, and I just got some Roma tomato here, and then some lettuce, that's romaine, and just put the other piece right on top. That looks delicious. Yum yum. Okay, I cut my sandwich in half, and this is how it looks. Nice and healthy. I'm going in, y'all. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you'll try this recipe. Please subscribe if you like it. See you next time.